Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can use Microsoft Word to translate text or documents completely without using Google Translator. If you see it's helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. First, if you want to translate just a paragraph, for example, I want to translate just two paragraphs, then right click. Here we have translate option. Click it. Detected language is English. You can manually select the language, but directly it recognizes and it see as an English. For which language? For example, I want to translate to Arabic. You see how it translate the text. For example, I want to translate all the document. Here we have document. For which language? For example, I want to select Arabic, English to Arabic, or auto detect, which is English. Just translate. You see, directly gives us a new document in Arabic language. That's all. Have a nice time.